Hi guys, so in today's video I will be talking about how to upload videos on your Steam account. So let's get started. First off, open or sign in to your Steam account, and then here above we can see store, library, community, and basically your name. All we need to do is to click on that one. Now here we have screenshots, artwork, videos, workshop items, merchandise, collections, guides, and whatnot. So let's click on the video since this is our topic for today. And here we can see link your YouTube account. So here, so link your YouTube account to your Steam profile, then select the videos you want to add to your profile, share with your Steam friends so that they can marvel. There. So click on this one, enter your YouTube, Google sign in, and all of the steps by then. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.